The Properties toolbox allows you to define object characteristics. In the Characteristics section box, we can define material layers, thickness and alignment. In Geometry, we can define the shape, dimensions and the object position. In the Height Reference System section, we can also define the belonging level, the height difference, or we can link the object to a sub-level. Moving down into Functions, here we can move the object along the XY plane or along the Z axis. In the Materials section, we can also choose the materials to use for the considered object. Drawing Model Layers allows us to associate a layer to one of the objects to represent it in a drawing model. Lastly, in the Aspect section, we can choose a color to represent the object in drawing models or to block it from being modified.